All right, animals, gather around, boomed Professor Grizzlepaw the bear. Today I'll explain the baffling story of human evolution. Millions of years ago, humans were basically monkeys living comfortably in trees. Life was simple: eat fruit, avoid danger, and enjoy free housing. Then one ambitious primate looked at the ground and thought, I'd rather pay rent. And that's where everything went wrong. As forests shrank, some of these early humans began walking on two legs across open grasslands. Scientists call this a brilliant adaptation. We animals call it a strange fashion choice. They traded four stable legs for two wobbly ones and spent generations falling over until they got good at it. To their credit, standing upright freed their hands. Unfortunately, those hands soon started inventing things. Over time, human brains grew larger. At first, this seemed impressive. They made tools, learned to communicate, and became skilled hunters. But with great intelligence came great nonsense. They invented sharp spears to catch dinner, then thousands of years later invented spreadsheets and performance reviews. Imagine evolving a giant brain, only to spend your day in meetings that could have been an acorn. Then humans discovered fire, and the rest of the animal kingdom became nervous. Suddenly they could cook food, stay warm, and gather around campfires telling stories. Bears deal with winter by hibernating. Humans deal with winter by creating 27 different coffee flavors and arguing about thermostat settings. Evolution clearly took some unexpected turns. Eventually, humans spread across the entire planet. They crossed oceans, climbed mountains, and built vast cities. While other animals adapted to nature, humans decided nature should adapt to them. They looked at forests and said, this would be a wonderful place for a parking lot. Their confidence was remarkable, even if their ideas occasionally were not. Today, humans are the dominant species on Earth. They have satellites, artificial intelligence, and machines that can explore distant planets. Yet they still forget passwords, lose their car keys, and spend hours searching for their phones while holding them in their hands. So remember, fellow animals, humans may be the smartest creatures on the planet, but after millions of years of evolution, they still need a device to remind them to drink water.